Hi everyone, this is Teacher Elle and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll break down the key requirements you need to meet to kickstart your journey as an ECE teacher in Singapore. Let's go. So guys, I'm going to show here all the documents you need to prepare. First is your high school certificate or your diploma. Second is your high school transcript. Third is the medium of instruction from your high school. Ito yung nagpapatunay na English yung ginagamit ninyo as a medium of instruction during your high school. Fourth is your college certificate or your diploma. Fifth is your TOR or your transcript of record from your college. So guys, sa TOR nila tinitignan kung qualified ba tayo magtrabaho sa Singapore. Kung yung pinag-aralan ba natin or yung curriculum ba ng institution natin or ng university na pinag-aralan natin ay qualified para maging isang early childhood teacher sa Singapore. And of course, para malaman nila kung qualified ba tayo magturo sa Singapore, kailangan nila yung pang-anim na requirement natin, which is yung description ng mga subjects. So our sixth requirement is the description of subjects. And yung pang-8 natin, ito yung pinaka-importanteng requirement na kailangan nating i-provide sa Singapore. And this is our practicum certificate from college, which has at least 300 hours ages 3 to 6 years old. Or sometimes hinihingi nila is 0 to 7 years old. So it depends po sa hihingiin ng school ninyo, ng ECDA, or ng agent ninyo. So it depends. So I'm gonna give you a tip on how to get a practicum certificate with a minimum of 300 hours. So ang ginawa po namin is hindi po kasi umabot yung practicum hours namin sa 300. So ang ginawa po namin ay pinagsama namin ang practicum and yung field study po namin. So umabot ako ng lagpas pa ng 300 hours. So, pwede ninyo sigurong i-request yon sa inyong mga institution, sa college or sa university or kung saan man po kayo nag-aral during your college. So, it's better to request to your school na pagsamahin yung hours ng practicum and yung field study ninyo. So, the last but not the least, the 9th requirement that you need to prepare is your MMR vaccination certificate. So as an early childhood teacher or a childcare teacher in Singapore, it is very important to them na meron kang MMR vaccination. And also your COVID pala, yung COVID certificate ninyo or yung vaccination card ninyo ng COVID, optional po yon na pwede nilang kuhanin sa inyo. So I hope this video will help you as you start your journey in Singapore as an early childhood teacher. If you have some question, please comment down below or message me so I can answer your question properly. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.